If you are just as excited as I am about Christmas time, this is going to be something so fun to have on your garage. So these are garage magnets and they are uniquely designed. These are some ornaments and there's some snowflakes. This spells out happy holidays, and I think it's just going to be so fun to have on my garage. If you don't want this one, there is another color to choose from. This is what it looks like on my garage door. Fantastic. I love the bright colors. You can see it from the street. They stuck really easily, which I love. I am obsessed with this product. This is my honest review of this Happy Holidays magnet set for your garage door.